What's up and welcome to another episode. I just got an awesome package in the mail and I can't wait to show you guys what it is, so I'm running home right now and show you guys what I just got. Here it is. Let's get this thing open, show you guys what's inside. Alright, moment of truth of why I'm so excited about this box. You ready? Oh, that's right. There's nothing in it. Because I gotta put this suspension into that box. So let me just go ahead and grab the suspension real quick. This one goes in there. Perfect. Fits awesome. So now I gotta get the rest of this into that box. So I'm getting my suspension done by Craftmoto. One thing that's super cool is when you get your suspension done, they send you this really cool box where your forks and shock place perfectly into. So when you ship it back to them, nothing's gonna get damaged, and of course they'll send it back to you in this same box. When I get the suspension back, I'll go over exactly what they did, but for now, we're gonna get this taped up and sent back to Craft. What's up guys, we're back at the shop. We're gonna get started by installing this Showa dampener along with the Ride Engineering clamp. Never really done one of these, so we're just gonna kind of wing it. There's some instructions, but I left them at home. So we'll start by taking everything off the bars, take the bars off. We have to get the triple clamp off, and then that clamp basically just goes right here, seeds, and then it's just a few bolts. Ride Engineering makes it super simple.
Today, Junior?
Oh, no.
Nothing fun. Alright, looks so much better with a fucking front fender on there.
It's starting to look like a dirt bike.
Yeah, start it up, ride it. Front fender's the only thing you need.
Man, Cherbis just kills it, don't they? Is it Cherbis or Cherbis or?
I just say Cherbis.
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 Arby's?
Those are two different things, man.
Yeah.
I think I might be able to help with a pan-Pam dilemma.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Pam.
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 Hand.
With
There's
an
a
M.
D on the end.
There's no D.
I don't have that right now, you know? It's like 8 o'clock at night.
It's like 9 o'clock, but
Is it fucking like a glove? Now we're talking. Fuck yes.
Dude, that is sick.
yeah, that's dope.
No one will ever know.
I will. It's all in the small details on this bike, I'm telling you. So now that we've got that installed, all we need to do now is throw on the top triple clamp and then put the bars back on. But we are going to be putting on these R-Works Fat Bar 36. If you don't know, these are Renthal's new bar. As you can see, they're a lot fatter than like your stock bar, but they're about half a pound lighter than any other bar on the market. These are a brand new product, so when Renthal came out with these, I had to get my hands on them. And then obviously with a bigger bar, you have to have a bigger bar clamp. You can see the difference between, this is a 36 mil for the Fat Bar 36. Can't be bolt started sitting down like this. Just tight. We've got everything installed, but these bolts were rubbing on this bracket, so we had to lower the bracket just a tiny bit to get those to clear.
Okay, wait.
Hey, wanna put his helmet on? What? Go! I'm trying to go, it won't go.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm doing it! I'm doing it! It's a nasty. It's a nasty.
What do you think? So we got some titanium motor mounts. We can get those in. And then the Renthal front sprocket. We throw that in with this titanium front sprocket bolt. Both these come from Motosport. So if you're looking for any cool titanium trick parts, check out Motosport. Big KTM guy.
Big boy.
So we got the dampener on, the bars on, throttle tube on, Renthal grips on. We got the Renthal front sprocket on with the titanium front sprocket bolt, and then we got the titanium motor mount bolts installed. And it's kind of starting to come together. Stoked to see this thing actually finally coming together. What do you think, big KTM guy?